ఒక ప్రత్యేకత ఉంది. ఆమె పేరు ప్రతిమా బెనర్జీ. ఆమె అండమాన్ అండ్ నికోబార్ ఐలాండ్స్ లో పోర్ట్ బ్లేర్ అనేటటువంటి కార్పొరేషన్ లో ఒక కార్పొరేటర్ గా మన తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ చిహ్నం మీద గెలిచినటువంటి అభ్యర్థి. అంటే దీనికి నిదర్శనం తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీకి ప్రాంతీయ సరిహద్దులు లేవు. ఇరు రాష్ట్రాలే కాదు, దేశమే కాదు, విదేశాల్లో కూడా సముద్రాలు దాటుకోనైనా పేదవాడు ఎక్కడ ఉంటే వాడి ఆకలిని తీర్చడానికి ఈ తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా కృషి చేస్తూనే ఉంటుందన్న దానికి ఈ ప్రతిమా బెనర్జీ అనే కార్పొరేటరే ప్రత్యేక నిదర్శనం. ఈ యొక్క తీర్మానంలో మాట్లాడడానికి ఆమెకి అధ్యక్షుల వారు అవకాశం ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి అవకాశాన్ని వినియోగించుకొని సమయాన్ని కూడా పాటించాలని బెనర్జీ గారిని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఆమె తాలూకా జాతీయత ఈ రోజు చూసుకుంటే ప్రతిమా బెనర్జీ గారు ఆమె బెంగాలీ, తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ మీద అండమాన్ లో గెలిచినటువంటి వ్యక్తి. అందరూ కూడా ఆమెని మరొక్కసారి మహానాడు సందర్భంగా ఆ యొక్క అభ్యర్థిని కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేయాలని తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం.
I am expressing my namaskar to the brothers and sisters, to all the brothers and sisters who have attended this Mahanadu, and also namaskar to our national TDP president Shri Nara Chandra Babu Naidu and other dignitaries on the stage, and especially to Shri Nara Lokesh Babu, Honorable Minister. I am very happy to be here from Andaman Islands on the eve of birthday of Shri NTR, the founder of the TDP party. Respected Andhra Pradesh Rashtriya Adhyaksh Sir Nara Chandra Babu Naidu, the idol and the longest serving CM of Andhra Pradesh, India, and respected idol in World Master Growth Advisor. He made his legendary step as milestone in 1994 to 2004 and had made a special stand of Andhra Pradesh in different stream over world market. His style of functioning was more alike to that of a CEO rather than a traditional politician. Today, as service, Sir Nara Chandra Babu Naidu had made so much growth and future planning operations in Andhra Pradesh. Consequently, he laid emphasis on the use of modern IT. We are very glad to stand support with Mahanadu on behalf of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Respected Central Aviation Minister Sir Ashok Gajapati Raju, the idol of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, who stand the growth of state aviation on behalf of TDP and made a great achievement for the people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We stand to the respect of support given by Mr. Ashok Gajapati Raju. Today, our islanders praise him from the bottom of their heart because of his step of reducing airfare to Andhra Pradesh, which made a huge stand of TDP in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. He also provided pre-reservation of 50 seats in Indian Airlines from Vizag to Port Blair twice in a week, which has made a great start of free life for islanders. I thank him on behalf of the people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Respected TDP's National General Secretary, IT Minister and MLC, Sir Nara Lokesh Babu, the youth icon and son of great legendary Sir Nara Chandra Babu Naidu, made his place in the heart of the followers of TDP and good humanitarian supporter. We make pleas to state and stepping stone and have campaign even in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We from the state of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, though it is called a mini India, but still a place of unconnectivity, non-recognition, under-civilization, non-productivity place in India. We belong with 575 islands, out of which 39 islands are inhabited. 30% populations are Telugu according to 2017 survey. Huge tourism support place, huge under poverty line people. But we are no stand people in India. Today, we have achieved with 2 municipal councillor seats, and it wouldn't be possible without the support of Telugu Desam Party. We had a great struggle of 30 years of TDP party in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and took place by other party with lack of communication and vision growth of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. After a long break, a new stand by Mr. N. Manikya Rao in 2005 as State President, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Mr. V. Madhava Naidu, State TDP in charge, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We took a step in 2010 with one seat as Municipal Councillor by Mr. Azizur Rahman from Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is declared as a historic win of TDP. Today, our party stands with 2 seats of Municipal Councillor, one by myself, Pratima Banerjee, and the other one by Srimati S.L.V. from Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. With the support of TDP party and supported members whom been and taken stand for the people of Andaman. Amendments of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next level, growth of state Andaman with the support of TDP party and its vast hand joined with party office standards and a permanent place for the party people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which play a great stand of winning heart of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A new TDP BPL survey for the people of Andaman and have their right identity of breakthrough people of Andhra Pradesh migrated in state of Andaman. NOC clearance for people who migrates for contract members and been issued temporary contract identification to have the facilities of same as people of Andaman and Nicobar having. Migrated and disconnected old resident of Andhra Pradesh, misidentification, civil and Fisherman Union identification program for the people who are in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and people who missed their identification in Andhra Pradesh. Business communication between Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Andhra Pradesh to be increased frequent transportation and supply charge, groceries and general usages which increase an economical growth for both states. Tourism facilitation to be increased between Andhra Pradesh and Andaman.
Please continue.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands through air and sea way and eventually with business growth proportionately. Which pleased to say that growth of employment and accessibility for youth of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Tirupati pilgrims to have special attention and health support decks for people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and some accommodating support for people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands as we have huge communication problem. Vacation charges issue in air base is being 4-5 times hike on occasional time, which is unaffordable for common and medical survivors, which to be find a solution for Andaman and Nicobar people and tourism visitors. Programs and campaigns visiting of TDP great leaders and having a Andaman Mahanadu program to strong the party in Andaman and win the heart of people and planning facilitation growth to Andaman and Nicobar people through TDP party. We please Sir Nara Chandra Babu Naidu to have a party office land allotment as it is a long pending issue since 10 years, but we don't have a right structure. So please kindly look for the proceeding for state of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We even request to have National Bank for Andhra migrant people, the Andhra Bank to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We request Mr. Ashok Gajapati Raju to 4 days frequent flight to Andhra Pradesh and 1 way to Madurai from Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
ఇంకొక నిమిషం ఇవ్వండి కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు 2 minutes ప్లీజ్ కంప్లీట్ మేడం
Thank you sir. We the members of TDP Andaman and Nicobar Islands taken stand for the growth in different places of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and rise of support. We thank several members who supported us unconditionally at the time of municipal election campaign in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Mr. Chinna Rajappa, Home Minister Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Ashok Gajapati Raju, Central Aviation Minister, Mr. Muddu Krishna Naidu, MLC Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Ashok Kumar, MLA Ichapuram, Mrs. Shrisha, District President Srikakulam, Mr. D. Janardhan Rao, MLA Ungel District. In House 10, Mr. Madhav Naidu, State in charge Andaman Nicobar Islands, Mr. Manikya Rao Yadav, State President, Mr. C.H. Babu, State Vice President, Mr. Azizur Rahman, State General Secretary TDP, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. My special thanks to Sri Nara Chandra Babu Naidu, Rashtriya Adhyaksh, who stood towards the growth and support of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We privilege the honor to be in Mahanadu today to address our support towards the TDP from the people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We request TDP's Rashtriya Adhyaksha, Sri Nara Chandra Babu Naidu, to address Andaman Mahanadu program and form a base structure and support program for future campaign in the growth of TDP party in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which makes to stand a major role party in the island. And this only happens because of our idol CM, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh. Last but not the least, thanks for providing me such a big platform to express my views in front of the huge crowd of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Jai Telugu Desam Party. Jai Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Thank you so much.
Thank you. అండమాన్ నుంచి అక్కడ కౌన్సిలర్గా ఉండి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి అక్కడ సమస్యలు కూడా హైలైట్ చేశారు. మన వాళ్ళు బెనర్జీ గారు, మన వాళ్ళు చాలామంది అండమాన్లో ఉన్నారు. వారికి ఎప్పుడూ తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ సంఘీభావాన్ని తెలియజేస్తుంది. అదే మరి అశోక్ గారు వచ్చిన తర్వాత అండమాన్కు కూడా వారానికి 2 ఫ్లైట్స్లో ఒక 30 సీట్లు కూడా రిజర్వ్ చేశారు. దానికి కూడా అభినందిస్తున్నాను.